In today's video, you will learn how to make a YouTube account. For this, you have to go to YouTube website. I will type YouTube in the Google search and then YouTube homepage will be opened. I will wait for it to load it completely. And then if you have a simple Gmail account logged in your same device or you're in same browser, you can use that Gmail account to access the YouTube account. It is as simple as it can be seen. So if you didn't understand what I said, that if you have a Gmail account logged in your browser, then you can use your YouTube account freely and without any hassle. So my Gmail account is already logged in, so I can use YouTube according to my own niche. And if I click on a simple video, I can like it, I can comment, I can do everything with my simple this account. So my Gmail account is already logged in, so that's why I can do whatever I want in my YouTube account. So it is simple. First you need to have a Gmail account. If your Gmail account is not made, press on the pop-up banner and you will learn how to make a Gmail account. First make your Gmail account, then come back to youtube.com and enjoy your YouTube services freely and without any hassle. So if you like this video, press the thumbs up button and comment your thoughts and share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so you can never miss our upcoming any video. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.